Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends to get rewards on the EHA Markets application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets app on your device. And after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to invite friends in order to get rewarded, tap on the event option at the left side. This will now take you into the event page. And within the invite friends section, you can find your invite link. You can either copy this and use your desired application to send it to whoever you wish to invite, and you also have the various different applications that you can directly use. You may tap on your desired app to share with your desired user. You can also tap on Save Image, which will save a QR code within your gallery that you can send directly as well. Now, no matter whichever method you use to send this invite, once the person taps on the link that you have shared, the EHA Markets app will be downloaded on their device. And once their sign-up has been verified, your number of invited friends will increase, and so will your reward. You can invite as many people as you wish in order to get rewarded multiple times. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite friends and get rewarded on the EHA Markets app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.